Good. We're here to learn how to shoot. Okay, watch out. You hit this button, this one right here, then it locks. You have to push it down. There you go. And then aim and squeeze the trigger. Find out whatever. So, and then this now goes to your trigger. So the trigger, and then we're ready to shoot. And then stretch it. So, but now you want to brace it up and that eye level base. So
real quick. Whoa. Set it down. Set it down. There you go. So remember, this slide, whenever you shoot, it comes flying back really fast. So if your thumb is right here, that'll hurt really bad, all right? So you want to make sure, did it already hit you? Did you already get you? Okay. So you want to get this over here. It's going to be on the side of the gun right there with my right thumb over my left hand. And this finger's squeezing just like that. And you bring it up to your eye level, and you're looking through those sights, looking through that channel right there to watch, put that front sight inside that basket. All right, so when you pick it up just like this, go ahead. Okay, now roll it over. Get this thumb out of the way. Take the meat of your hand, put it against it, and then wrap your fingers around just like that. And now bring it up to your eye level. Okay, bring it up to the eye level all the way. There you go. So now this, don't shoot yet, don't do anything. If you look through here, look through that crack, this will be inside that. And you're gonna watch that front sight, okay? Now go ahead and put your finger on the trigger. And go ahead and squeeze. All right, set it down real quick. Set it down. So that first time we shot, we made yeah, it didn't eject because we stuck with our thumb. If that was with a higher caliber, it would have cut you really bad. We never want that because under here is kind of short. With a 22, it's not quite as strong. So let's try that again. Go ahead and remember, pick it up like this. Roll it over. Put that hand on the side of that gun. Get that thumb out of the way. Get that thumb out of the way. There we go. Now you can bring it up to eye level.
Is this?
That's perfect. Okay. Yep. Eye level. Looking through that, and just go ahead and squeeze that trigger. Lean forward just a little bit. There you go. That's fine. Good job. Now you can keep doing that until it's empty. All right. It's still got bullets in it, so we always make sure we're keeping it down range. All right.
Okay.
So keep shooting. Keep shooting. Go for it. You're a better teacher than me. No. I've been doing this a while.
Is that? We're hitting the center.
No, when you finish it, we'll pull it back and you see. What happened? Oh no! You got tweezers? House. See, I'm the exact opposite. I've got a little tiny here. It's a little outside. I wish I was over there, but we might have medical tweezers.
So drop it the way you said.
If you pull it back. Yeah. I feel like an idiot.
Shots that set at 11. No. Guys, can you see? For a first-time shooter. For a first-time shooter, not bad. Not bad. so I need to... Assembly.
My shoulder's starting to get thinner with that one. It's like, I'm still up. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3 is nice. What they are 15 is right. And then I think round it. Right in the center. That's usually slower. Bring it back in, see where it's at, then bring it out.
Beautiful country for this. Let's bring it back and see. Guys, can you see? Wow! See this? Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. For a first time shooter. For a first time shooter, not bad.
Yeah, it might be costly, but they might be able to tell them, hey, I'm a brand new, I've never hunted.
By the way, this is the first time I'll be shooting. Alright.
That's what I would get to know. I don't off the top of my head, I don't know if like in class.
It's for somebody.
We have like a rifle.
It's my first time. Okay, first I will be shooting. I'm not doing badly, Abby. Yeah, not bad for a first time shooter. I think I've tried. It's impressive. Well, if you're going to shoot a gun, make sure all the safety precautions are done. Okay, make sure you go to a proper shooting range. Very, very important. Magnus says I can do better. Why not try it? You to do. Let's see how far. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
You said? Okay, I think I hit one. Wow, this is not bad. It's getting better. So you see, I got one right there and 11. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. But this is good. I do it. Google terminate. Yeah.
Let's do the 9mm after this.
Okay. Okay, guys. Guns are dangerous. Be careful. If I didn't expect guns before, now I respect even more. Now I respect the whole concept of gun now. Even guys, I respect gun now very well. If you have not used it, you can be underrated. Okay, guys. Getting better at this.
Change them the wheel.
So you press it down?
Yeah, from the front to the back.
This
way?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then you. Right there, like that, right there on the line. Sit down and slide it in. There you go. Easy, easier.
Better. So guys, even to load the gun, you see, no easy. So when it comes,
be your first time.
when it comes to gun, be careful, right? Go for proper training. Okay, don't joke with guns. Don't joke with guns because this is like the smallest guns, but the sound is still making. And I don't know why we use machine guns in Nigeria. I don't know.
You get out whatever.
Because even the impact of this, why do we use machine guns in Nigeria?
Even this one is hard, right?
I had to insist my orderly must use a pistol because everybody with AK-47, that's an assault rifle. Assault means you don't get anywhere you can damage. This one easily control. You can have some precision, right? Okay.
This is even bigger.
Can you imagine?
Somebody else.
You see? So this one is an assault rifle or still
Something else, maybe a rifle. The same way, but this one has a read back. And this one. So when you hold that the front, it's gonna jerk you backwards. So same method, same method.
has it entered this way?
So it's good. There you go.
Oh, this is
Same method the way you told us.
yeah, this is heavier.
Yeah.
This is heavier, guys.
I mean, yeah, but you're better. So you were aiming right about here. So this one was good.
Wow. Wow, this is stronger, guys. Damn.
This is the real deal.
This is the real deal,
Feels a
man.
little different, doesn't it?
It's different. Wow, this is heavier.
Heavier, a lot more recoil.
Yeah.
It's a lot heavier.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier. It's my
Now you
first
gotta work on not flinching. So when your body goes, holy crap!
Yeah.
there's a explosion. I got to recoil. I got to brace for.
Yeah.
So what happens is you end up going, and you don't notice it because you don't. It's an immediate reaction, but
Yeah.
you go. Shoot. So you're knocking it down because you're. I gotta. Like you did with the one before. All we're worried about. It's okay if that recoil happens. We're just gonna squeeze it. It'll go a little more straighter, but it's hard to do because.
I know. I've seen that shot.
Yeah. Well, you didn't.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Damn. Shooting isn't easy. So that the gun goes back, right? And then you move this way. I just learned it, but I'm gonna bring my wife, by the way.
That's a lot better though.
Top right corner, locked up.
did better.
There's still a bullet. Yeah, it has no bounce back.
Oh, really? Huh? Is there?
But there's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a better shot right there.
Guys, see the damages. I also hope my hand did. Now gone now. Huh? Now go more than vibrate.
You want to go one more? With the smaller one?
Yes, I think I can do this one. I hope.
That's totally wrong.
I hope I will not mess with the rifle because the way I'm doing with it, I hope I can handle a rifle.
We'll try the rifle with a smaller bullet, actually.
Okay, so you can have rifle.
We turn those bullets to them, no, we don't do that.
Okay.
No, they'll have like just 22. They'll have about the same. Yeah, they're a great way to get introduced to rifles. Yeah, sure. Even though a 223 or a 5.56 like AR.
Okay, guys. So the eagle has come to learn how to shoot.
Oh, really?
I'll call you once it's done finishing.
Not bad.
You want us to go down? He wants to just get a 20 rifle. This rifle with smaller bullets, but still normal rifle feel. So we can shoot this guy a lot faster for you. So we can return this to them. Okay. And tell them that we use this gun, so we don't have to pay for that. So let me load stuff for you. So when I go take care of it.
Okay. So guys, feel free to ask me any question. I will answer you. Okay? Feel free. If you have questions for me. How many of you are surprised that I've come to learn how to shoot?
Texas.
You said?
I said you're in Texas, you gotta know how to shoot.
I hope you are surprised that I've come to learn how to shoot. But here I'm in America now. I'm buying properties in America. Okay, so there's no way I will not have to invest. You know, so say refund. I don't understand what you mean by refund. Magna says, I'm surprised. Well, you can be surprised if you want. Adewe says, what lesson can one learn applied to real estate from shooting practice? focus, right? You have to be focused when shooting it. And very, very focused for that matter. You have to be focused and you have to be very, very focused. You can't do real estate if you are not focused. You can't shoot a gun if you are not focused. You also have to be cautious. So if you're shooting a gun, you have to be cautious because a mistake, an actor made a mistake, and that mistake led to people dying. You know, so that's very important. An actor killed. It was even a practice gun, right? He literally made a mistake and somebody died while shooting a movie. So one has to be careful when it comes to shooting. So when you're shooting, even if it's practice, you have to learn to be very cautious. And the same with real estate. You have to approach real estate with some cautious, with training, with proper mentorship. Matthew says, why is the aim paper didn't went far as the other people on the left? The other people are using what we call an assault rifle. So there's a difference between a shotgun. This is a shotgun, okay? This is a shotgun, and then you have an assault rifle. So you're using an assault rifle, you go farther. So the next one I'll be using is an assault rifle, like an AK-47. So I'll go farther. If it says really needed, especially as our country is being invaded by killers, I know that's what most of you are thinking. A lot of you are thinking, I'm learning how to shoot because of the Nigerian security. Well, you are not wrong. You are not wrong. But at the same time, even here in the US, you just have to, I mean, not even with the new law, a lot of the laws, particularly in Texas, everybody has a gun, people are able to use guns. Once you start going into real estate, you better, particularly in the US, you have to get a gun. And one of the first, okay, let me give you an example. There's a story my mentor shared with me when he started doing rental income business in America. He went to collect his rent and the tenant brought out a gun. So they don't play with you here in America. Everybody has a gun. The earlier you learn how to shoot, the better. If you have your gun on your property as well, there should be gun control. I'm all for gun control. There is a need for a gun control. I'm totally up for it. I don't think people should just be people who have mental health. Anybody should just go out. Don't believe it. It's too dangerous, right? Agnes says you don't have options when it has to come do with real estate investment in the US. Yeah, so it's wisdom to learn how to shoot. Definitely will be getting a gun in the US. Okay, definitely will be getting a gun. Right? They don't play here. Matthew Sunday says, I would love to go training too. Says, hope we have. He said, hope we have such training coming here in the US. Here in UAE, there should be, I don't know, UAE does not even allow guns, so I don't know. So I love your boss, thank you. No more talking, guns will do the talking. I'm not saying that to be real. I'm not saying that. So you can see an assault rifle. So if you are shooting this one, now you gotta go. It has to go farther, right? So this one you see, you have to go farther, right? So I've never shot an assault rifle before. I have to be much careful because it can pull back, right? Yes. You have some. So we use smaller. Yeah. Give us some. We need some training. We need some training on how to use an assault rifle because that's big. But yeah. Again, like I said, I'm all for gun control. I think guns should be regulated, even in America. Just not everybody should have access to guns and just be shooting. There's too much killings in America. As a result of
people come in with their guns.
Yeah, people just come in with guns and it's crazy.
Heavy guns.
So it's I think there should be some regulation, particularly coming here to a gun range. I respect this whole concept of gun, right? So yeah, there should be gun control. But hey, but in Nigeria as well, I think the government has to be serious. If you don't want people to take law into their hands, then we need the government to come in, because except you want people to be carrying guns to church, you want people to, and it's just going to create chaos, a lot of chaos in the system. But yeah, it's important to take your own safety seriously. Very important. I'm also excited that I'm properly trained, so it's not just that one is just going to have a gun without proper training. Enough training is important. You can't go wrong learning and being trained. So I'm taking more questions. If you have questions for me, go ahead and ask. I'm here listening. Yeah. So we're waiting for him, are we? Let me finish this one.
So you can show us. For this one, it has fire.
Huh?
It has safety fire, so it's safe. Then it's not shooting fire. You flip this, and it's fire. So definitely you pull this to engage the bullet. It's not shooting. But let me call the guys.
Yeah, let's show him. Let's call him. Let's call an assault rifle. I even would like him to test it. I like him to test it before I try. Okay, let me try a short one again. A long distance. Okay. Okay, now it's the turn of the assault rifle. So, like I said, I don't know why Nigeria they use AK-47. Okay, you don't need an assault rifle. A pistol like this is good. Okay, but this is very dangerous. Guns like this are called assault rifle. Dangerous they are. Don't joke with them. So even to learn, I'm still calling them to come show me how. No assumptions.
I forgot about this.
No assumptions. So what I've done is to go for the one with the smaller bullets. Bullets are very small. Okay. So this one has very, very small bullets, which is good. So let me look. Someone says, considering insecurity in our country, what's your position as a well-traveled businessman to adopt about adopting self-defense using pistol? The issue with this concept of self-defense, you see, human beings are complex. The conversation can start with self-defense. When does it stop? Before you know it, criminality comes into it. So yes, people will have to defend themselves if the government doesn't defend them. Good. Is he here? People will have to defend themselves if the government is not defending. People will have to do that, but what we're all praying for is that Nigeria doesn't get to a point where people are resolved to self-defense.
The rifle. So if
What's that?
the rifle.
Yeah?
So if you can help show him.
Oh, yeah. So, right hand, we're still picking it up with that finger off the trigger. If you want, this is adjustable. Okay. So you're going to put this inside your shoulder, kind of inside here, not out here, like that. All right. We're leaning into it. Use your right eye. All right. Put your face on the stock, nose forward, leaning forward, just like that.
Bounce back.
No, it won't have a lot of kick at all. It's just to have just as much energy as this guy.
Oh,
that 22 didn't have a lot of kick. This is a heavier gun, so
Okay.
it's actually going to be less.
Okay.
It won't have nearly hard at all.
Okay.
So once you insert the magazine, okay, I'm going to open this bolt. Insert the magazine. You're going to push this button right here. What that did is close the bolt. All right. You have a fire and a safe. So you put it on fire. Use your right eye. We're going to look at that that little laser there. I'm going to turn it down.
Right here.
There you go. That's right. And then you're just going to shoot. Once it's empty, this will lock open on its own. All right? So go ahead and pick it up. Get that finger off the trigger.
Okay.
So take the magazine right here. Take this with your left hand. Just roll it. Insert that in.
Is it good the way?
Right about here. Yeah. Turn it around. There you go. Push that button.
Which one? This?
That right there. Yes, sir.
So
Push it towards the gun. Put your thumb. Push it in. Just grab that. Okay. With your right eye, when you look at my finger, do you see that green laser? Or green dot, I mean? Get your nose forward. Put your nose forward. There you go, just like that. Now at your waist, lean forward just a little bit. Lean towards the target. There you go. Now you look like a pro. All right.
Are you helping me take pictures?
Yes.
Are you taking pictures? Please help me take pictures because this is not easy.
19 MOS has a hollow sun on it.
Aim for that one on the bottom right. You see that that target on the bottom right that's still got space on it?
Okay.
Go ahead and squeeze that trigger.
They used to have when they first came over.
Oh,
There you go. Not much at all, right?
yeah.
Did it click?
It's, yeah.
All right, stand by. Don't move. Stay there. Watch your face. I'm going to bring my hand back. Sorry. All right, should be good to go.
Oh yeah.
At this distance, it might be a little lower because we zero them at 20 yards, so anytime you come close. That's pretty good. There you go.
Oh, nice shot.
There you go. Good. They'll be taking care of you. Okay, thank you, sir. He asked
It's finished. The turning? The other way. Yes, it's empty. So drop it.
Hey, let's see what I've done.
Kevin or
That was a clean shot, actually, at that distance.
might have Kevin look at it, man.
And it's not properly. That is a clean one. And it's not properly zeroed. That is clean.
Not
I'm
bad.
telling you, that is clean.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
I didn't even make the shots on the first time I shot.
Really? Not bad.
Oh, okay.
And it's even more. I didn't expect it to be this.
I don't know, man. I've never seen one. I've seen doing pistols.
Man, I got you off for today.
Yeah.
Earplugs stuck in your ear. About
I
this.
didn't expect it to be this. They are so powerful. To be this calm. It's quite calm. And easy to use. And everybody thinks I'm doing well for the first time. Daily hours is learning the American life. American guns, they are Siamese twins. They go hand in hand. In fact, Americans will protect their rights to gun than almost right to life. So. I don't know why they are crazy about rights to gun, right to.
So during the war,
Yeah.
there was a war when I think the British came over to the US and they were able to overrun the military.
Okay.
One of the things that helped was that individuals had guns.
Had guns, so they had
And they
to
could
use their
defend
own.
themselves. So it's believed like what's happening in Ukraine, where they have to start training citizens.
Yes,
If
yes.
something like that happened in the US, people would-
Americans will kill whoever. If anybody steps their foot. That's probably why America has not really had a war that is fought on their land. Because you don't even want to try, because almost everybody has a gun. And it's gonna be bloody.
they have enough.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me load the.
Daily Hour says, you know Texas is open carrier. Of course, that's the issue. Huh? To have a gun in Texas. With a driver's license, you can have a gun. You don't even need training. You show your driver's license, you get a gun in America. Dangerous. It's neither good or bad. Okay, we have to be realistic with it. These are sensitive conversations. This way. It's a sensitive conversation. So let me show you. You can see now that I've gone further. If I want to, I can go to the end because I'm using, right? I'm using this. Or else, is the laser not working? It's jammed again.
It jam again.
When you do the first one, it's always jammed. I think there was something that does to it. Okay, yeah.
It's ready.
It's ready. You trust this.
It's ready. It's good. You can't do that with fire.
Really? They're a little too fast. You just slow down a little bit.
Yeah. They go like it.
Why?
I'm not explaining.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Kind of in the middle of the thing. Yeah, okay.
I think you should try. You try.
You're good?
Okay. Guys, I'm good. I think I've done enough for the day. So back to our discussion. Yes, I doubt considering what might be fallout. What options? Then if there are doubts considering what might be the fallout, what are the options? The options is let there be peace. You know. Eh? Okay. You know, I think we should stop taking each other for granted. There's too much of taking. I think we should just respect each other. I believe in the vigilante concept. We need to have some form of vigilante. We need to also invest in, as far as I'm concerned, we need to invest a lot in
I think one of the things
state policing at some point. But we must make sure that we create a structure. We must create a structure that allows or that emphasizes the state policing concept. The state policing concept does not make government begin to make crazy decisions, right? So, yeah, a lot can be done to make Nigeria safer. I need to stay with them. Okay. I love you guys. I gotta go. I love you so much. Bye-bye.